Welcome back to another Battye Train in the streets. This is part 6. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, guys. It's been a minute because trying to juggle everything around, when to go skate and when to edit and when to upload videos, because you know I work 5 days a week now and I have my kids on the weekends mostly, and I'm just tired from work. I work at the Frostbank Center now. It's tiring work because I do so much outside work with plumbing, electricity, fencing, mowing grass, cutting grass, weed eating, just crazy work. But anyways, let's get to the video. So this is me mostly skating ditches, and remember, this is the journey I'm going through to make my own skate park for myself worthy enough for viewers to like, and I'm gonna premiere it. But these are just fillers, these are not bangers, but I'm trying to do, like, you know, a lot of foot plants, soak applies, but like good old school tricks that I could do. But I'm gonna do bangers soon here, and this is just my journey that I'm taking y'all through of me making my own skate park. I don't have an interaction with the homeless guy that's on drugs. I don't want to say crackhead, you know, but he's basically on drugs, and I film him. I'm waiting at the spot, waiting for him to leave, because I don't want to just go there and then put down my equipment, my camera, my tripod, and then he steals it, so I have to wait that out. There's that in there, and then just me doing 3 different tricks and how long it takes me and the journey it goes through to trying to land these tricks. I'm older now, I'm 36, so it takes me a little while longer to land tricks, but it doesn't take me too long. So enjoy, God bless, hope y'all love the video. Now this one fucking rolls. Gosh damn, it went perfectly to my hand. And then this one rolled on the other side. This one hasn't been rolling. The right guy catching this one rolls. Would have been it too. This damn rock. I went too far forward. I caught it like that. I should fucking hold more. Jump on the fucking board. Jump on the fucking board, dude. I don't know what I'm doing wrong now. Finally, shit, it's already getting dark. So I'm coming to skate this ditch over here, like I always do, because it's by the crib. And then there's this guy right here. He's like going through this parking lot, trying to see if there's any doors unlocked. And look, he keeps going to this car. And he's super sketch. And anyways, you know, guys like that, like, if I put my stuff down when I skate, he's gonna try to steal it. And probably some crackhead trying to get money. But like a car like that, like the door's gonna be unlocked. Come on, dude. He's coming back over here, but... And that's weird because this place has security. It's like, where the fuck is there security at? Like, there's a security guard that goes around this building like non-stop. Oh, the guy's going into the ditch now. Well, now I'm on this side of the ditch, but that guy is taking off that way. Thank goodness I don't have to deal with him. But he tried to open that car, and then open that car, then open that car. I'm like, and there's like windows, and I'm like, how are people not seeing this guy being like gnarly sketchy? Like, it's so obvious what he's trying to do. And he was just like standing by the car for like probably a whole 2 to 3 minutes. And it's like, where's the security? And this, when I skate this ledge, security sometimes stands right there. They never tell me anything. They're pretty chill, but they look at me. They watch me skate, which is fine because they're interested in what I do. But it's just like the day someone needs a security, they're not here. Like, what the heck? You see the idea. You're gonna get it soon. That was probably it, but I'm gonna do another one just in case. My board is getting all chipped up from this trick. Not enough speed, but I still tried. I feel like that was eventually going to happen almost. Not a spin. I want to get it. Get off the rock. She was untied. Ouch. grass. So, if you made it to the end, thank you guys. Remember, like and subscribe. Please share this if you can. I'm going to try to be posting this more and more when I can. And I know it's been over a month since I posted a YouTube video. So please like and subscribe. I'm trying my best, guys, but what can I say? I'm a busy guy with kids and work, skateboarding, my skateboarding brands. But anyways, if you want to know more about my skateboarding brands and my journey in skateboarding, on my Instagram, follow my personal Instagram, and on my personal Instagram has in my bio all my skateboarding brands to my other skateboarding Instagrams. So go follow that. Alright, later. God bless. Hope you liked and subscribed and enjoyed.